My name is Leo. This is my store, Another Soul Chance, located in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, where we buy, sell, trade every single day, Monday through Friday, 11 to 7, Saturday, 12 to 8, Sunday, 12 to 5. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you all enjoy this video. Stay tuned. What's your guy here?
Galera's OG.
Yeah. Missing insole.
They ain't got no insole, they gonna keep them out.
What you want for you?
5 of them. 6.
Couldn't do too much. Yeah. These right here, big brother, I ain't gonna lie to you. These under 100 for sure. Nah, yeah, but just the insole, you know, like, yeah, we be waiting on these. And in grade school, it's 6.5. Like, they ain't in the ministry. We be down, but we'll still get them for you when we come to agreement on the price.
We can do some.
You can check the price that quick. I don't know what you want for.
But they on these.
We just up there.
How much you want on these?
About 3.
Ooh,
Shit. Really?
Yeah. Being that it's used, you can't pick it that much.
Maybe. 320.
I'm waiting like a probably like 100.
Yeah, we gonna give you 100.
Cause it's an old shoe, you know what I'm saying, which makes it more valuable too. But being at the size 8, smaller size, those like collectors, we got bigger feet, you know.
So let me just give y'all a price man real quick. Like I told you, like these under 100, these under 100. Them gonna be around 100. You know, we could be on what you want with them.
I'm at
100 plus.
I'm like 100 either.
What you thinking? What you
Just
thinking?
because size 8 gonna be way gonna be
Man.
fucking new.
I kept it up.
I mean, yeah, but size 8, like you got size 10.5, bigger size, yeah. You know what I'm saying?
What price you would think? What's so low?
Man, about 3.
3.
Wait, it.
Keep them big brother. Keep them. I feel it.
What you want to need?
Going forward.
Yeah, I probably 2 on them too because box gone. To be honest, box gone. I probably super low on them.
So what y'all talking for them?
I
We
need.
about these.
Honestly, gotta be too low, bro.
On which one?
I don't want to get off.
On which one?
Yeah.
Oh, I already told him under 100 for sure. I told him that. See, like when I come in, I just base the prices out to 100, under 100, under 100,
I can't pay no around 100.
around 100.
No around 100.
Yeah, but I say under 100. You know what I'm saying?
What do you got done?
What you think about these?
Grade school.
Great.
Yeah, bro. I'll be way too low, so I ain't gonna understand. Appreciate bringing them in.
Appreciate y'all.
Show for sure. Appreciate that.
Y'all be.
Nah, you too, bro.
So,
Cash up, Chase.
yeah, I got cash.
Appreciate it. 2 packages came in. One medium size, one like large. Let's check it out, see what we got. First box, a smaller box. We got first. I bought a box cutter, bro. Hold on, y'all. Be right back. So one of my fans see me struggling in these videos, and he bought me a box cutter. So shout out to you if you're watching this, if you know you know. Shit, I was gonna cut. First box. Zoom in right there. You see what it is. Curry got essentials. Hoodies for y'all. Get cold outside. Fire.
Yes, sir.
Size small. It's the same thing. Size large and size medium. So got medium, small, and large in the black Fear Guide hoodies. Next up, size 7, 399s. These sell real well for us. They sold one of these, so nice to have them back in stock. Next up, Retro 5 box. Yep. Woo! Don't see a lot of these around here right now. With the ladies shipments, size 11.5, women, size 10, men in the bluebirds. These are gonna sell real quick. We post them up on the Instagram. So, time to go to the second box. Box 2 right here. Let's open it up. Also, if you want to sell shoes, this code link in the description. Buy 24/7. Down below. Check us out. Nice packaging right here. This guy put rubber band on the shoe. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. So first shoe we have here. Size 12 women, 10.5 men. Easter Dunks. Nice color right here. Don't have any in store right now, so that's good. Second shoe. Size 10.5 Cobalt Dunks. Also, I have these in store, so a nice pickup. Next shoe, size 8.5 women, green glow, size 7 kids. One second. What can all these shoes be found at? Caleb?
AnotherSoulChance.com.
Oh, we upload inventory.
Every single day.
Gotta love it, bro. Gotta love it. 7.5 women, size 6 kids. Easter candy dunks.
They gonna love those.
Facts. Might be a new clockwork.
Clockwork.
Woo! Lord have mercy. Size 10 men, UNC dunk low. Clockwork right here. He's gonna move real well. Clockwork. Can't keep these bad boys in store. Size 9 women, 7.5 men. It's gonna move real fast in the post. So, hope it's you. Another one. Size 9 women, same size. And you guys don't worry. We just check all these shoes after we show you guys. So, I always let you check all the shoes.
Always.
Another size in the UNC Dunk, size 10.5.
That's me.
That's you. Don't you wear size 9, my guy?
Yeah.
I'm Black Killer, bro. I do wear size. I do wear size 10, 10.5, 11, 11.5, and 12. His feet like extendable. Got a size 7.5 women, size 6, and 7.5 women, size 6 kids, and the Sunset Post. These just sold like the other day, so 4 of these in. Another size 10.5 in the UNC Dunks. Can't have enough of these ever. Sorry.
Bad.
Back to the boxing, had a phone call. Was so funny. If you know, you know. Another size, 8.5 women, 7 kids in the green glows. Another size, 10 women, 8.5 men, the Easter kidney lows. And last but not least, another one of these green little don'ts. So got like 4 of these. If you wear a size 7, ladies, or anybody watching, if you're a man, get your girl these, she's gonna love you forever. I lied. Nobody loves you forever.
Because I know somewhere deep down in my heart, I still love you.
But you can find all these shoes on anothersoulchange.com, where we upload inventory every single day. Stay tuned.
Deal, bro.
Good deal.
It was some them Yeezy slides. It was size 4. It was like Christmas time. Probably about November. I sold you the Fire Reds. You bought them from me. The Fire Red fools. It was last year, man. It was a minute ago.
Mm-hmm.
You still over there or what?
Yeah, I'm still over there.
That's
Just
cool.
What's the one for these? Oh, it's okay. See, I can do for you. What size is the on for 90? 11.5.
John's Full Oreo, size 5.5. Not a bad shoe. I slept on them, me personally. I slept on the hard, they hard.
Thanks.
This pair here is
I had to
beats.
pick mine up after release date. Had to pay resale if I slept.
Got a good old wearing arm though.
Right. Just thinking on them, bro. Nothing less than like. I really was hitting you 200. But what was you at?
I got these.
The 140? Do 160? Let me submit that 150. That's cool. 80.
You said 80?
Yeah.
Out the box.
I'll be way lower than that. This is in the box. And the real scuffed up, yeah. The material will be hard to clean too.
Okay, that's fine. What about how much y'all think?
What you thinking, bro?
I'll be real low on these, like $20.
Nah.
How low you thinking? What you thinking?
I was the lowest maybe 35.
30? Yeah.
5 to 30.
Alright.
$30.
Alright, you got it?
Yeah, have a good day, man.
Appreciate it, baby. Too. Hey.
Hi.
Can we sell some?
Yeah. They very soft and really, I can't fit them, so.
What you want from them?
I don't know. What can y'all, what's the best y'all can offer?
$55?
I could do 155. I just want to get the other damn shoes and get these shoes.
Do you have Cash App?
Mm-hmm.
Or is it?
Thank you.
That's our name right there. Another Soul Chance. You want to follow us? So we picked these Nike Dunk Blue AC multi camos up for $1. Damn. $155. Not a bad price at all. These they move like all day, clockwork. So can never have enough of these. Very good buy. We pay very well. So if y'all want to sell to us, just DM us on Instagram or sell to us on our Discord. Just got 2 local pickup orders in. We always appreciate the support. Local pickup. I want to come in and shop. Just order online. 24/7 we're here. Come pick it up. Appreciate it.
Replacement box.
See it's a replacement box?
Yeah.
Which one for these?
Shit, yeah, 120.
Probably way less than 120 just because there's no box.
Alright. How much?
Could you do $50?
What about 70?
We catch 60.
Alright.
That's cool. Pretty nice.
Which one for these?
What's y'all offering?
What you think?
90?
80?
Maybe 90?
Alright. You good?
90 and 60.
Cash up?
Yeah.
Alright, cash up. We picked these 2 pair up. Air Jordan Retro 4 SC Neon 95s for $60. And these Nike Air foam posits for $90. The All-Star Edition. So 2 pickups, not bad prices.
Hello.
One more down, I'll just put it in. So I can get ready? Yeah. Alright, Lord. Alright, man, you say what? Appreciate you, Mom. Ready.
We ended up passing on the Royal 2 Jordan 1s. Thanks for watching that video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't share a lot of comments. Please, y'all comment your feedback. Anything y'all want to see from us, any ideas, anything like that, we much appreciated. Don't forget to follow our socials. Twitter, @SoulChance. Instagram, @AnotherSoulChance. And Facebook, @AnotherSoulChance. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed.